Smartwatches should be personal, but too often the choice is limited: Apple, Google, or Samsung. But what if you want something different? Something with better battery life and a fresh approach? Enter the Amazfit Balance, a smartwatch that dares to step outside the big brand bubble. The Amazfit Balance stands out with its sleek, lightweight 46mm design and a stunning AMO LED display. The sunset gray band adds a touch of class, while the notched bezel gives it a refined traditional watch aesthetic. With customizable watch faces, including elegant analog-style options, you get a smartwatch that doesn't scream tech, but still delivers modern convenience. Battery life is where the Amazfit Balance truly shines. While most mainstream watches require daily charging, this one lasts up to 14 days on a single charge. That means no scrambling for a charger every night, just uninterrupted use, whether tracking sleep, workouts, or daily activity. Beyond battery life, the watch nails the essentials: step counting, heart rate tracking, GPS, and a smooth, comfortable fit. However, its user interface could use some refinement. The app icons and menus aren't as polished as those from Apple or Google, making navigation a bit clunky. But if you're looking for a smartwatch that helps you stay connected while staying focused, the Balance finds a sweet spot. With detailed sleep tracking, the Amazfit Balance gives you morning insights on your rest, recovery, and readiness, on par with the Oura Ring. Workout tracking's reliable, GPS accuracy rivals Garmin, and fitness goals are easy to set. However, the Zepp Health app, where all your data syncs, feels cluttered and occasionally disconnects, making data retrieval less seamless than competitors. One drawback: music playback isn't as smooth as it should be. You can control your phone's music only during workouts, and uploading MP3s is cumbersome. Plus, playing music directly from the watch drains battery life faster. But despite minor UI and music quirks, the Amazfit Balance is a fantastic alternative to mainstream options. It looks great, feels comfortable, tracks fitness accurately, and most importantly, delivers unbeatable battery life. If you're looking for a smartwatch that prioritizes longevity and a distraction-free experience, this is the one to beat.